Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack from our design team to you. This week, Kenny and his team have created a stunning food recipes layout pack with 8 different pages. These pages will provide everything your design will need to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. So this layout pack has 8 different pages. We have a home page, a landing page, a recipes page, a recipe page, a team page, a contact page, a blog page, and an about page. So I'm going to scroll through this page really quick, but if you want to see the live demo as well, you can just simply go to Elegant Theme/layouts, scroll down until you come across the food recipes layout pack, and for each and every layout, you can just view the live demo over here. So you can see what it looks like once it's installed on a website, and you can play around with the different screen sizes to see how everything looks. So now let's go back to this home page over here. If you want to make modifications, you can use the visual builder by clicking over there. And as usual, once you're within the visual builder, you can make all kinds of modifications to each and every section, row, or module. So for instance, you can change these percentages over here into a number that matches the recipes that you're bringing on your food recipes website, and simply make sure that you save the changes after you're done editing. So let's scroll down over here, and over here at this blog section, you can also choose which kind of blog posts show up. So you can choose by category, and if you want to change the overall layout, you can just click on the following icon, go to the plus icon, and within the pre-made layouts, you can scroll down until you come across food recipes. And over here, you can choose whichever layout that you want to use and simply click on use this layout. So now we're going to exit this page without saving any modifications we've made to it by clicking on exit visual builder. And let's go to the recipes page really quick. So this is what it looks like currently. And there's also a recipe page, which you can reuse for all of the recipes that you're sharing with your visitors on your website. So now let's go back to the recipes page. So the thing we'll be showing you in the use case live tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern time is how to add this following menu over here. It's a mega menu where you can divide all of your categories along with your recent or featured recipes. So if you want to learn how to add this mega menu to your recipes page, make sure that you tune in tomorrow 3 p.m. Eastern time on Facebook or YouTube. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.